Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Happiness. In today's video, I will talk about how students should start coding in 2026. Many students want to learn coding, but they feel confused and scared. Don't worry, in this video, I will explain everything in a very simple way. Today, there are many options in coding: front end, back end, data science, AI, machine learning, DSA, and many more. When students see this, they feel confused. I also felt the same when I started, but confusion is normal. Every beginner feels this way. Before learning any language, you should understand one thing. Coding is not about remembering code. Coding is about solving problems. Code is just a tool. First, try to understand how computers think and work. Many beginners make one big mistake. They try to learn many languages at the same time. Please don't do that. In 2026, the best language to start is JavaScript. With JavaScript, you can build websites, backend, and apps. Learn the basics slowly: variables, conditions, loops, and functions. Along with JavaScript, learn HTML and CSS. HTML is for structure, CSS is for design. Don't try to be perfect in design, just learn the basics and move forward. Projects are very important, even small projects matter. You can build a simple web page, a to do list, a small website. Projects help you understand coding better than only watching videos. After front-end basics, you can start back-end slowly. Learn what is server, what is API, what is database. Don't rush, one step at a time. Coding needs practice. Even 1 or 2 hours daily is enough if you are consistent. Some days you will feel bored, some days you will feel excited. This is normal, just don't stop. If you are a beginner and you feel lost, please remember this. Everyone starts from zero. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. I am also learning and we can grow together. If this video helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Coding with Happiness for simple and honest coding content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.